Here we go. That's full throttle actually. Oh, right on. So far so good. So top speed, guys, let's see what we got. Here it is. What do we get? We got 49, almost 50 miles per hour, guys. So if you want to get 50 miles per hour or more, that's the gearing right there, 1235. Mod 1.5. Let's do it.
Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. There's that new. Been a good since I made it out of rent too. We some owners, baby, we don't got no rent too. My trick, but my wifey like to trick too. Merry Christmas, hey Saint Nick. What we want, get, we don't wait list. How we got here doesn't make sense. Have patience, that'll make sense. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. Picking up the slack, going in this prime way, I'm getting to the rack. I do what I want, when I want, where I want, no cap. Put in all work, now I'm getting to the back. 25-8, I got money on my mind. Live life great, but I'm always on the grind. Navy blue tank, I don't wear it for the time. Real hustle, baby, throw my rollie in the sky. Ball pointing cushion, so you know it's berserk. Trevor on the mix, so you know we gon' work. I might leave it wine, find the beach and go surf. I'ma ride the wave till I'm out of the surf. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on.
Whoa!
Holy! Oh, right on that shit. There goes your fucking chassis. Holy, that's how she brakes right there.
Bro, you never experienced the TRAXXAS before!
I have.
All right, here we go, Dan. I'm gonna get both of them. All right, I'm gonna clear that one. Oh. No, it's 8S, but it's on a 6S motor, so it's jacked. Oh! All right, I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna come down this way. I'm gonna hit them both, Dan. Yeah, except for this truck doesn't fly very good with these tires. Taking it easy, okay? Okay. Oh, wrong way. Dude, come on. Boom! No, she ain't broke. She tough, dude. She tough. Whew. Ah! I snapped the chassis, guys, but because we have this amazing 7075 Pnw RCCmadness, look at that, XMAXX chassis brace, it didn't completely snap in half. So let me show you where it broke. So unfortunately, it did break right there, and it actually comes down all the way to the underside. No big deal. We're not going to worry about that today. Now, what we are going to worry about is this shock. Look at all the sand on the shock. I think this thing is leaking somehow. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead, get it apart. And guys, let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to upgrade these bad boys. So not only did the chassis break, and we're not going to fix that because we got the chassis brace on there. Guys, we're going to go ahead and upgrade the shock caps from plastic, black plastic, to 7075 aluminum. These are made by GPM. Let me show you guys the part number. Some of you guys might be wondering, well, Chris, where did that truck come from? Well, this is like my stock X-Maxx. Listen, this thing actually has broken gears in it, guys. That's why I never really drive this truck. And it has the smaller Pnw RCCmadness motor mount. And it has the 1650 kV hobby wing. So stay tuned. We're going to get this thing outside in a minute, but first we got to fix these broken gears. So I'm going to get this motor mount out of here, show you guys the motor mount so that you can buy one yourself, and then I'm going to show you guys these gears up close, and we're going to put them in the truck, get it out in the dirt, and send it. Check it out, guys. There it is. We got the motor out, and there is our 25mm screw spacing mount. Mounted up in that is the Hobby Wing 4985. This is the 1650 kV, and we have the stock motor heatsink on there. And, well, guys, check this out. This is the only truck that I run that I have gears in, and, well, I don't run it very often because this happens almost every time I drive the truck. Yes, we went to the dunes, and we were sending it big. And these are really good gears. The problem is the chassis flexes, and then, yeah, the mesh well, it breaks. So we're going to go ahead and install a new setup. I know it's going to be a little bit different ratio, but we're going to install this GPM. This is part number TXM1235TS-BK. And this is also a mod 1.5. A little bit higher ratio than I'm used to, so the truck's going to be a little bit slower, a little less torque. But let's show you guys what they look like. Awesome. There we are, guys. We carry these on the website as well. I'll try to leave a link in the description below. I know we have just a couple of these in stock. So there's the 35 tooth mod 1.5, and then there is a 12 tooth debore. So comes with a grub screw as well. So we'll get those cleaned up. We'll get that cleaned up and we'll mount that up on the motor. There it is. Mod 1.5. We got rid of that mod 1.0. That's the stock pitch gear. So we're going to go ahead and install that. We got the motor, the pinion installed. So that is 1235. Guys, the ratio is going to be like 2.9, I believe. We haven't done the belt drive mod with this truck yet. Well, because we haven't had the belt drive on this truck. It's had the gears in it, but we are going to go ahead and install this Pnwrcmadness lower gear cover. Before we slide the mount back in the truck, I just want to show you guys something that's kind of cool. This is actually a stock setup right here. So when you buy this mount, you got full adjustability up and down. So you're no longer using the pin system. All you do is just screw it down with the hardware provided. I'll leave a link for the motor mount in the description as well. Now, we're going to go ahead and upgrade the shock caps as well with these GPM 7075 caps. The part number is TXMDP as in Paul /CAP-OR for orange. And yeah, check them out. All right, there they are. There's the shock cap we're going to run. Those are the 7075. Right there by GPM. Going to come with the bladder. And there is no bleeder screw. What you do have, though, is a bleeder hole right there on the side. Would you guys look at that color match?